everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of the DIY course on flower making, and this course is brought to you by What's Your Hobby. In this episode, we'll be learning how to make this beautiful flower from SOLA wood paper. Let's now take a look at the materials required. To make this flower, you will need the following materials. SOLA wood paper rolls. Though I'll be using white rolls, you'll be able to get colored rolls as well. Then you need a sharp pair of scissors, glue, floral tape and floral wires. Take one such strip and cut along the middle. Now start cutting fringes along the length of the strip. You have to leave a 1 cm gap at the other end. Take one such fringe and then pinch just the end of it by twisting the tip. We have to now apply glue along the length before we start rolling these. We are now going to start wrapping the SOLA wood strips around the floral wire. The next step is to squeeze the base of the flower. Now we are going to use the floral tape to make a brown stem for our flower. I absolutely loved how this flower turned out. I hope that you also loved it. So see you all in another video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.